And number 5, we want to know how many quarts are in 224 fluid ounces. So we're starting with 224 fluid ounces, that over 1, and we want to go into quarts. Problem is, we're just going to take multiple unit multipliers because we don't have a direct measurement for fluid ounces and quarts. So we can use this diagram here where we're going to have our gallons, which is our G here. Then the gallon's going to have 4 quarts in it. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarts. Each quart will have 2 pints inside of it, and each pint will have 2 cups. And then each cup has actually 8 fluid ounces in it. So each of these cups will have an 8 for fluid ounces. So using this diagram, we can see that we are starting with fluid ounces, and we're going to have to go in steps to get to quarts. We're going to first of all have to make cups, then make pints, then make quarts. So we're going to have several things. So we're going to go from ounces, then we're going to go to cups, then we're going to go to pints, then we're going to jump to quarts. So that's going to allow us to get our answer. And then for the bottom, once again, we want to be able to cross cancel. We're always going to cancel this way, right here. Most of the time when we do this, this is our general idea. So that means that we're going to go ahead and put in the fluid ounces here, our cups here, and our pints there so that we can cancel. Now, a cup is larger than a fluid ounces, and we can see right here, a cup has 8 fluid ounces in it. So, 1 cup, 8 fluid ounces. Pints and cups. So we can see a pint is bigger than a cup. So therefore, the pint is larger, and there are 2 cups in a pint. So 2 cups in a pint. And then we have quart and pint. Once again, quart is larger, and we can see there are 2 pints in a quart. Quart is larger, 2 pints in a quart. So this is our step. These are our steps here. We're going to then go ahead and cancel fluid ounces, cancel cups, cancel pints. You can't cancel quarts, so that becomes part of our answer. Then we're going to multiply. Our numerator, 224 times 1 times 1 is 224. And then 8 times 2 is 16 times 2 is 32. We could also do 2 times 2, using the associative property, is 4 times 8 is 32. So we have 224 over 32. Students should know that a fraction is a division problem. 224 divided by 32. So 224 divided by 32. Doing a problem like this, it's large, so math is about making it simple. So we're just going to ignore the last number, and we're going to take that right there, and we are going to we're going to go ahead and use that and this right here. And when we do that, we're going to think of 3 going into 22. And 3 will go into 22 7 times. So we're going to go ahead and try 7. So 32 times 7. That gives us 7 times 2 is 14, carry a 1. 3 times 7 is 21, plus the 1 is 22. It works out exactly. So 7 is going to be our answer. So that is the same as 7 quarts. So 224 fluid ounces equals 7 quarts.